Nkirote Biriri Felicity tumbe kutha tukiariria mantu mwanya siasa no tunyoi mutongeria na ni mutongeri wa county wa Jamiru na romba gitikia women rep kiri last elections na kinya thaiji akethirwa agitwira nti mwaririe muno musiasa iguciariria na imkomenya imuntu umba kwithirwa agiciariria na mbere tutha tukiambiria mbitikiria nkwire ndukene kagita konthe gondhikirite tigira wina mutujwa nkima Johnice extra premium ndene arikore yaku mutujuju ne mutuju kuruga nkime kuyana mpwe nkima endhongi nkima kinyago kethirwa gikenera na bongi ubatere kwithirwa kimenyana ati ni nkima ina vitamins na minerals na mutujuju tena goro ugeta wholesale kana supermarket kana ndukene na magurija retail nombe kwithirwa kigura mutujuju na inyoka riongara Nice Digital City rekaka nika kenke kaka nika last born kana Nice Digital City mbere ya kenke kangi keza na kinyabe na mushere jo mbishori jo muthongi kabisa kuma kwa Nice Rice Millers kithikira kire kithiaga nkurukia muchere nusu jurajuri magwa county ya Kirenya gatonya mikawe thatu ya Nice Digital City Hotel ombe kwithirwa kiria nkima kana kinya Nice supermarket ukagura nkimeje na bonge ubatere kwithirwa kimenyane ati customer service ni ware batumba kwithirwa bagi compromise ku utigira no kwithirwa ninge ukirunga mara stopover endhongi kabisa witeti Nairobi we na Mimeru kana kinyambuga no guchwara omba kwithirwa gika muchemani be na conference hall be na modern fun park be na kinya accommodation hoteli endhongi kabisa enderu be na kinya swimming na be na Shell petrol station zira omba kwithirwa kinyo maguta na customer service nayo ngukwira ewite arairu wenda gwika order ya mutujua nkima kana we na kiuri kana yendekithia igururira Nice extra premium tukwena arua ringa 0729661667 0729661667 kana uringe 0755 turuga Johnice na Nice extra premium netha ijire muthikiria cia tuika ndaika 17 mbitikiria mbombe kuthirwa nkigwata kamba bauga nitukuthochogeni karibu sana Mwesh, it's been a minute, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Habari matuko
Salama sana.
Habari. Jokema ikiu umekuchi to your comfort kenda uigika very good.
How are you?
Very fine.
Uko salama?
Niko salama kabisa.
I've really missed you.
Me too.
Congratulations, the studio looks beautiful.
Thank you so
happy
much.
to be here.
Thank you, karibu sana.
Asante.
Kethia Mumeru.
Kankethia Miru bonde betu babende mbere I hope ukorokana ntuko injaga
Yes.
na nura ino tuko bwega na ati maisha yaku ienderete bwega na mwathani na kwendelea ukutharima ntuko cionthe yora tukorombaira
Habari mashinani maimbi jotora mashinani
mashinani yako salama tui sawa nkatha chemero nchamba chemero no bachiumitie na urimi bwao iba kurimeria iba kurima mpempe na mingao yao wako kazini
Thank you so much Berere na wethera which a person wa way out receipts council maybe ndenda twetha tukiambirio nontu I'm sure ingo gibado wendelete nayo ni mbio yongwa bodilani
warehouse receipt system council karimine it parastato thirikari lakini etikori muno act warehouse receipt ekorokirwe 2019 mwaka ya 2019 na nukurika na 2020 twari na covid 2021 twari na covid so chairperson kana council mbere ya point in 2020 bataombere kuthia mantia maingi no ntoba covid then so they just started off the parastato alafu 2023 June ilio nda appointed chairperson as the second chairperson of the council kwa council enjero bakana parastato enjero na batu our mandate transformation and structured agriculture commodity trade yani ugaruruku na kwithira kwina mitaratara kiri kwendia na kugura into bietu bia agriculture bio urimi bwetu so into bionde bira bimami ndenetu no ntu nukumenya kinya we twendakia bia kuria na also ituthakia urimi bure biashara na no tukendia bira bitigere kenda tumba kugura bira tutikuthithia kana tutikwanda wetu so nukumenya space yu either every and structured itithare na mitaratara arimi batimenya mauri bomba kuona murimi akendia cabbage kinya akendia na rori imwe cabbage shilingi maybe 5,000 lakini kinya na ara thokone uketha mboga imwe shilingi 100 so kona murimi atina price discovery yani atikumenya akiendia mauri arabuite kwendia no ntuguti na structure murimi kwithira are empowered kana ena uwezo bwa kumenya mauri araburite kwendia into biawe ni uno ntuwika kunya tukirwa ntu baita farm gate bara beta kũgũrĩra arĩmi miundene yao kana ngĩti-inĩ cia miundene yao bakagũra mauria mathuku kabisa so concept kana parastato ĩbuĩte kũ make sure atĩ itũ-regulate warehouses iria igastore into bibietu nontu nũkũmenya biria bitũmainya arĩmi bendie into biao mauri yatibui irira bakona mbuga bikathuka kana bite safe biomba kuiwa kana biomba kuora so ukona bakiuga ngurira na maurio yaro nayo lete utanunua ngapi uniondolea hapa so the idea parastato tukiregulate warehouse na tukireta receipt na eventually nja kuketha kwina gintu gitawa commodity exchange commodity exchange like the stock exchange ara arimi bonde kana aguri bara bonde bakurima bagatuika kinto biao na bara bonde bakugura nabo bakeya kugura au so the idea is to transform and structure agriculture commodity trading in Kenya.
So you work in progress.
I work in progress. Very new. Kinya obisi teka tu inacho we are housed at Agriculture and Food Authority. Kinya staff teka ndi nabo. Nibetha ndi na secondary staff kuma kwa ministries na kuma other people. Na 2020 executive order number 1 ira rutirwe president. Mbere warehouse receipt system council ya ithera kwa Ministry of Agriculture. Lakini rira kugea na the new government ni ethamirie warehouse receipt system council embikia kwa Ministry of Trade so no kuona inya change une kuma kwa Ministry of Agriculture weta kwa trade also ni kareta mbi again iga slow down manto non tunandi staff bara twari nabo seconded by Ministry of Agriculture bonde bachoke kwao tuchoke twambie ku request secondment kuma Ministry of Trade wena manto yonto yau but it's work in progress na inkomenya in another 10 years it's going to be the next big thing in this country. Yes,
fair enough. Mheshimiwa gatuchoke na anturene nontu kwina mantu ja kuendelea inya in the national outlook no there Tokyo na manjege police brutality and then nyako deal na biure beyond the main coverage okeza antu ba kwenda kuigua maybe kajoga kukiri mantu jaraja kuendelea ndene Kenya.
Mantu ya kuendelea ndene Kenya indirariti kinya kairi na waya tibui nontu kwina a lot of intolerance from all sides. Mitubuite ku embrace dialogue toka embrace inclusion anto baranirie belewane Gen Z dinachia oimbi thirikari nio nibuite kwitha ina patience ekuthikira nontu ngui yao ni ekuthikira mbi anto bare igutongeria kana anto bare ku lead uhalifu tukithithia demonstrations itubuite kwitha twina demonstrations it's our constitutional right tutiomba kuwa tutitha twina maandamano utire maandamano yatethera ryo kuma mau yari maandamano
of course
apartheid maandamano ethiririe kinya change ukenda go change policy kana sheria kinya in the US kinya in the UK no protest chita ate ibona protest ikibwithwa and the only thing is maandamano ri wethithia maandamano ate yabuite kwitha peaceful yari orderly na mwananchi akaritu police kenda yatike witate kureta uhalifu na mtoro kareta uhalifu agetate aka make sure akorito nontu thirikari ni thaira ina agencies ni thaira ina NIS DCI thaira ina many ways cia kumenya ina uhalifu buri oweka rimitudio ka kuthithia kantu iligo bake okwenda bakugira guti ngugwetemeria mpempe so itubuite kwitha twina tolerance na kwaraniria dialogue kenda kwitha kwina peace na no na justice bara na bakuite bara into bio bithoti ikubuite kwitha kwina restitution anto bagatwika compensated otherwise ndiona ara twitirite anto bendelea gutwika more angry thirikari niyo yendelea gutwika more intolerant tutititaega
Mheshimiwa kirima tujege gitikia women rep no kiromba last time bado wikinyanganyirona
ndi kinyanganyirona sana kama ndi kinyanganyiro no nciometie itukuromba kura na supporters betu ibatwirite kabisa kinya bo ibachiometie burubura bakumba no ntumenya gitikari mtu atichwaga wenka
of course
no mwanka withe wina teams chaku na supporters baku so tumba ochwa we wenka and team yetu is very fired iri ni chiometie kabisa na inkobera ibwega sana no ntupwa kinya umpa moral kumbe encourage na nguntwaria na kundingaira thimu bembira ugasleki you know so inkubera ibwega sana owara bari bonthe inkumeba baingi muno iba mbandikirite message bembira tuko pamoja tunasikiza tune in so kambere kante opportunity kubera thank you very very much mbere turi amwe kabisa na tuendelee tukiara na area
imbibiriri akareta different
birere birakareta different karimino kurikana indari na kirikaniro yakwa na Amiru ukia guthoma manifesto yakwa kinya mantu era ndarakia utiyo ya gutwika implemented wathikira inya kwa the unity of purpose irantu baura kia how can you say you're bringing unity of purpose gwataniro gintu kiu nukuona gitio kinya kwa the peace ira twauga ukona without peace nukuona bura miaka ethatu burakurari ya no kutina peace kutina unity Meru County to wiku ikuthetera kiri national government nukuona burantu bathukite te barabara te big ticket dam items onto itokuwa Nithi Bridge so woni kuona apart from gutwika effective kinya turi watigana kureta mantu ya Meru twika effective inyake kuthithia burobwite kuthithia legislation kuthithia sheria oversight or effective oversight they just gukarokiwa yes bunge werwa oretoro muswada nyote thoma igukurukia I mean you know effective oversight hakuna ana representation nayo anto mathina birabio tumawona ndo icho nthe igiuka ikuga mtoro wo ku represent ate kombo kinyithia mathina yaku bwega kiri nara ya bwite okinya ni uno ntukuona antu bagiukira bakauga kira twete ate to exercise our democratic right or our power given to us by the constitution directly nonto tunenkana ira indirectly kenda MPs batu represent baki auto represent bwega then tutukira tu now we want to exercise directly so no kuona even in the basics already gitekia women rep ituwite tutireta kirinya kiri the extras ira ndauga nka mobilize other resources outside of ngaf lakini karimingo chi mobilize still through the Birere Cares program na ndina Birere Cares program na itombeta kuthithia tumantu you know small projects within the county to, you know with partners tukaya na assistive devices to people living with disabilities tukaya na to tent rehabilitate holes assist with classrooms where you know something ukona hatchery tukareta to equipment to hatch eggs into chicks sunflower pressing machines where just small things that I'm able to mobilize kumakire achore na partners kinya uke akwithira ukona kinya mtura antu bono ukiaria na mtu kana na institution mantu yau ukona sti ukwe urakari nthi na wita na kwenda nya interfere na kugeria nya kwenda kuona kwetha omba gutunya athithi ariwe na wewe ngobire na byo njare nare minimbi ibio so inkuona oni a manifesto yakwa tatwika implemented so it is still valid actually I'm just refreshing it a little bit but utongeria mbunge omwekuru we very wanting we na serious problem gap actually, inspiration utire youth narandireta no kaba kutheta ekuru ndeta no kaba kutheta yeah
actually kwina mtu kuria na toka thithia kungana ni ikundi na kinya youth na to babangira ikundi biekuru there are so menya meshanga fishira irio na ikwithira kuna committee ngaf irega tukudi eka ithira ina criteria ya ikundi biekuru urabikana nkero mbesha twina miaka 5 bakamenya how even ata bomba ku identify na of course mbunge omwe kurai patron aka make sure kwina equity na kwina fairness in the criteria rabagetate baka develop ko make sure ibakumba witate kuringithia antu bonde but the most important thing ikwethori in touch na kwarania na ikundi bionde no ntu ikundi bionde bite kwenda the same things ukamenya imbi antu bakwenda no kamenya no wabaritira interview ba witate bakwenda kana better still wabatethia kenda bobongo bomba witate kuona interview so kinya training in terms of business ideas co-generate business ideas in terms of co-manage business no ntu no kumea kwira all the small businesses
cha ikundi kana ite cha ikundi ikuya within 3 years mwaka ya mbere nukuthithia bwega kwanza okay akwitha yo kite kaloni kanini mwaka ya mbere mwaka yele with a operational yo ethatu ukambirio struggle towards the end of mwaka yo ethatu ukainga so sometimes antu bamba kwitha tembecha nyamu no bagita atia bakwenda nonto antu ibethara bena mbecha bobongo iba guchanga ukona antu bechanga chiringi 10 ndone ba boda ngane athiriva bechanga chiringi 20 per day thaiba ina housing estate uye no te mtu tena o mtu boda kethe nambi plot yewe na baketha bena plan yao bachorete baka nyombe uye ka cost 250,000 300,000 na bondi ba waka so mbecha ticho chiura no ntu antu bake akwirwa chiringi 20 toka use the concept ye cooperatives kane ko pool mbecha together uti untu antu batibwithia braba ko need training empowerment in terms of thinking na training in terms of maintain those businesses na kumenyera mbeca iu kuketha kwina good governance so together you develop a criteria kunengana irio no also ukamap all the chamas ukamenya thina chamas chonde imbi kenda umba ku resolve na to mwa resolve na ngaf no resolve nyana other partners
inyao mengafu
actually mbeca ngafu is kidogo sana but ire nyingi ubwita gutumira kiraoni kana power onenkeri ne antu wita kubashwira nangi
wakubia miari
yengi na kirauni kyo kirura mirango
yes very true biriri to kwenda mono katheri gukurukira mwarimu magiri twire ire ukariunga sentiment katheri na uture ikimathi oriji ari ugo bwere manto 2027 ngutikio kuga kwirori ungentereshe katheri
were imbeta katheri after this
today
yes
you're going to katheri ngutike kimathi ya kuigwa twenda mono kwithirwa tukimenya maoni jae gororea pasalis bills that seems outdated and filled with backwardness
Pasaris bill is unfortunate ambari yoma nontu ni utuchokia na nyuma na ntiko maybe nontu ai mwekuru ai woman rep
actually woman
awetikirio tumirwa kureta billion tu yeu abweta ku stay away from it ungiura kwenda kumireta amireta na inkupe kinya bunge MPs batimekuruki I think tucho better ways to manage the crisis to react with tuera watire ukareact to a mosquito with a hammer
na mheshimiwa kwena siasa Meru is a hotbed of politics right and wenu kona nyawa DCP barari naja next week there are rumors that Matiang'i is coming with Kinamunya biriri rutererweko kana what is your stand currently kimanto yege political sides
Only that I am the chairperson of the Warehouse Receipt System Council.
Yes.
So inkuritango gya kuheria gukiria urimi na arimi mainly na partners. Lakini of course ndi musiasa na ingutegera na inkuthikira. Kinyegoro, kinyecho, kinyarukiri thai no kantu bambira irotererwe ikuitite. Na branda kwira karimi itente guchwande ninka ndina team. Na team yu burera advisor barambirire tuambe tuthithie proper analysis na tuthithie research nontu stiu ndinguine so ibompete mandate ekuthikira na kwaria na antu betu kenda bamenya make decision weka mino kuma politics is local so no mwankambite ate me I call myself a listening leadership buga birere listens birere cares and birere listens kwa the most important thing bomba kuthithia ikuthikira antu barankwenda kura chiao kenda nyao ndi na maoni yako na nkavera na kinyabo bena maoni yao bakambira then finally to make decision enara tueta lakini bato kubudithia batwe iko build brand yetu na gutuma mochore yetu nontu also nwiche kinyako yanto ba ODM baringa iro mero
of course
so ono uringiro yo naro kethori lakini bonkanto bagita ate be kumenya na bakikweleao yes
kato avote emotionally mweshi that is a question here
ondo mbuge nonto indari siasa ene na indari kiamene kambas oni interest ye kwa bila biatumire mbenda mantu ya bas kumarira bas ye fomerwe na kandenda mero twitha twina kiama getu nonto indamenya you need to have a negotiating power na indenda twitha turi amero tukuma basini lakini unfortunately mbuga the idea the time had not come so last time ndari kiamene campus na antu bambira tutikwenda kiama nkabera ito tukaringa kura muchibi umenya gute ndu gitawo muchibi bwaringa kura chataroa after everything falls into place na ndi watiwa na mutongerio wetwa Karimi County no kuona muchibi yoteo kana kiama yoteo otiwa na individual wetwa Karimi County Karimi County ri akomba ko represent Karimi County ri akomba gutungira sheria Karimi County ri akomba kodithia effective oversight on the executive ake akwitha atiomba kinya ke akwitha eke amenekero kwenda watuika emotional ntu bakiama no ntu kiama utina ugigeta kuringa kuro utina ugigeta kwariria so lakini kiama batu turi ameru collectively tuomba kuga atweke amenekena na turenda kwaria tweke amenekena no ntu antu iba kuona bura antu bena kiama batena kinya mbunge nyomwe this bena say na bena power no ntu bwambi no ntu bwakiama kwou no mbuge no mbitikiri twaringire kura emotionally no tuoni nyantu baingi bambira oito kwenda lakini kiama kiu gya
kiama na kirori
kiama kiu gya kutu tukenda buru kinya this time bambira make sure doani mantu ya kiama boega so mantu ya kiama yatathira no ntu antu ne attachment nkorone chiao na no kato yatania na botu bura bakarimu ankara tukareta mbi tukareta change pole pole
koro kinya mukigagita mweshtu twina kiama specifically tuwa jora tutuga waipa tukathuganie kamba ikoro kinya somewhere tuga Meru this is it.
I think so when leadership ikethira ere proper no ntubira bitoma kinya kamba tikuatire ondere ki waipa
of course
kwina kamba ringi muno rite ki waipa lakini no tuwe predominantly the problem also bia mabi raki amakira wa kia Meru kiomba tiki ya Meru as such kiomba kwitha keso associated with the party leader ati party leader no wiki kia mambi kitena structures strong cha ku decide bora kia magigeta ukona party leader no ku make decisions chambi cha kiama so ibo ntu wona ari mona rimwe ntu bona kiama kibo ko no ntu iba kumenya batethera benambi benasi kinya thai no cho politics tu national ntu ona mtu awita rutereru akwa yejeje uwenda awita rutereru angachwa rungi no ntu nakumenyeta kinya kiamene kiu gutetha kwina fair tuge a fair way of getting the right candidates no kuona no ntu there should be a fair way ere acceptable to everybody kenda to mara to Karimi County no tonenkera tigiti yetu na tukelesa tukaguta munenkera tigiti yetu no ntubwa A B C D antu bara bathikirite bakona kweri it makes sense antu bakawetikiria it makes sense they'll always go with you so biama bieto so twina a lot of work to do no mwanka bitweke more inclusive more transparent na leadership etweke more devolved among the neck and what you know when neck iraitha kwecha that chi jokes
of course moish kwena kiuria kiria kia ya mandrige teenage pregnancies nturene chietu na mantu ja GBV maybe na what is your plan not at some point it might fall in your docket GBV na
muntunturene toana na teenage pregnancy is very rampant actually the triple threat ere yani na ndere yani nyana new HIV ukona mwana teenager agutwika pregnant na kwatu murimo wa HIV na ndi eu niwe gatuma kuketha kwina more domestic violence so it's tragedy all around
yes it is
and ni kwenda culture change na ni kwenda very very meticulous kambu yani mubango yubangi bwega yoku involve achiari yoku involve school yoku involve provincial administration yoku involve county government USP headed ni obisi women rep kenda yuethira te mubango yako yochetha mubira ntukwemwe ukaringa mubira ukauga kick gender based violence out oringa mubira
from there
then you disappear to come back nyume mwaka yumu no mwaka to make sure trainings na uritani bokuendelea in our homes in our schools in our churches every Sunday every day eburete kwethira lifestyle tuko embrace ati violence ititethakia ireta hasara ikareta ikathukia relationships igatuma ana baketha bena futures uncertain futures na mathina yangi ya maingi so na nyano braba bena teenage pregnancy tuka make sure inkomenya like now mheshimiwa Gacheri I think the nominated MCA
Yes,
aina skuru
Mudhuri.
yetu Greenland.
Greenland.
Okay, aweta it is she's overwhelmed.
Ndari now.
She is.
Yes.
She's overwhelmed. And yet we have a rescue center yakirwe the former women rep Kawira Mwangaza.
Yes.
And it is lying idle there. Kinyayo yake kumba ku relieve the pressure from to a Greenland siu igeta u. Kaneka tuika halfway home. There are so many things to achwa all these structures ite kuritorwa ngugi tugachi convert into rescue centers tugachi convert into warehouses tugachi convert into tombo tumira so there is a lot of work in the KGBV na teenage pregnancies na yau yarenda multifaceted approach na yarenda ku involve everybody lakini no mwanka yethere na mutongeria umwe wina vision na akomea bura kubwira
mugambi wacha zari kuria nate kubangira ikundi bia kurubio
ikundi bia kuru kinya bio o yaura ikundi bia kuru tukuga no utukathirie ikundi bia kuru kinya bio they need to be involved no komea sheria etitikiritie discrimination so ikunya ikundi bia kuru they qualify to benefit kuma. On top of that kwa gintu kingi da notice Meru excuse me da notice Meru akuru bara retired baba inge bena ikundi na indonere you know there is something called alternative dispute resolution ikundi biu bia akuru na akuru bara akuru actually no bitweke trained biga tukuthia kira gitawa alternative dispute resolution only certified I'm a certified mediator so inkwelewa process at the judiciary ni embraces alternative dispute resolution uwenu kumebura kotini magamba yengi na alafu on top of that ni expensive utinda wita court ukarea ngarama ukarea lawyer wetoke thambua there are so many cases judge are overwhelmed kwi magamba yamwe ya maingi muno tubuite kumba kuthiria na unturene na yau yabuite guspia yodo for instance the former ombudsman isho nguira abuite ku make sure utiga Meru ikundi bia kuru na kuru bionde bire gutwika registered as being able to offer alternative dispute resolution nturene chietu atafi no ntuige ntugietikiritwe imbi I judiciary na irwangirwa judiciary rukuruta ngui
ngitaka kiri mutambo jwa Facebook nkona Bebiriri is the most qualified leader mama uwezo na usawa siku zote tano good morning madam Birire tunakungojea unge nkona kabisa Birire women rep together mpaka mwisho kwina kiuria kiria giukare aja kia mheshimiwa kia mantu jegie twana tuingutikia kwithirwo gichokia ukethirwo gi consolidate uria ekuru na kinyama mantu jegie I think mono rutererwege ikethia Birire kanyiri kumanteresha kithangari ria gaturiungira kionyo I think koka jokia karabura karatasi nyanto bakionyo ibo gwita nchaure somebody kumanteresha nchaure return Evans kumanteresha nchaure unge aruga you are a visionary leader we need people like you to remove Meru from slavery madam Biriri what is your current comment because the government is becoming intolerant ngwitike no commentere mantu jau madam Biriri if given a chance would you still go for the same seat or you have a change of mind?
I would still go for the same seat nontu ni utukarite ndina team twetikaniria ati twambiri na woman rep na gite kia woman rep na kinyantu ibondingira bambira itu turenda uikia gite kia Meru nontu kwe bambira ita MP bangi bambira ita senator so ukona lakini kato uikia gite kia woman rep mbere nkoromba Meru bambitikirie ntu kia woman rep mbere after that bakanda advice nontu gite kia woman rep igite kia affirmative action igete mwekuru ni beteketi ote mwekuru bweto gikarira twice yaidi no ntugete kiari geka kurutana mutongeria mwekuru ekuru actually generally kiari kia otu ko kio twa inya kio turitana kio twa courage kenda na ndio otonya women rep ugaitia yonte bura Gladys Wanga thai governor ugeta ya wa mushomba bura ari MP ugeta ugatuika commissioner chair ukayukia ite bingi nontu already you have been sharpened kana ugutuika trained uri woman rep so imbetikitie woman rep mtu abwito karira one term ageta ageta nyungu itende bingi so ndayukia bwampa getekia women rep Ameru then after that nkaromba bumbire kwetha burenda mbita senator mbita MP o kana mbita CS o bila bukenda Ameru wate baba kuwa
of course no baba kwira kwina mujenzi uri ajari kuria what is your plan and are you planning to incorporate them in your team?
I am planning to incorporate all of them who are willing. I have already baba ingi mono in my team. Actually baba manager inya campaigns chiakwa not to you have to listen.
Of course.
Na woni betekete nya how buratomba kuthiria this confrontation katikati agency na thirikari kana na batue igukarande kuthikira kubauria burenda tuthithia atia burenda twita atia tukathikanira mo nontu you be surprised ana baiba kumenya aiba kuthoma utikio bati kumenya
of course
so kinyawe uandika akia kwitha ready and willing to join us no atwandikire no DM in our social medias ADM atwire kenda twambirio communicate twatanira tuendelea na mantu yana tubatue ni umbera mbira youth batu tekua the futures of tomorrow the leaders of tomorrow ibo bare othai na bo bena miakera mingi ukarankurukie batu so our interest na batu turi achiari karimi utege ntu kingi wetharoke wikite mbere ya mwana oku so jenzi ni ana betu na ibo twikite mbere na mantu yayo nde tukuthithia ibo tukuthithiria so itukwenda bathikira na itukwenda kwaraniria nabo na itukwenda karakui nabo na itukwenda tumochore nabo
ekuruba koromone nyabo ibo gwita bekwira ubariungire bathoko onge aruga your voice is full of leadership. I admire you too much. Hurry up, the city's yours. Zameziri kweza mono sorry Mekindori kinyano you are watching you live from Mekindori ma'am. Make sure ko riunga ntereshia Mekindori
indira nawe goro ndai madiko ne the man Kenya and then I spent some time with some youth
ukawasikiza kidogo mweshi mbere twithirwa tukithiria inkwenda muno withirwa kiariria your voters in Meru County in general tuketeke umende no kiringaro thimu mikiringaro kura ni everybody what is your parting shot kiri antu babon?
My parting shot kiri antu babon thinkobera tu yukieni kanya kakuthugania bwega kenda tumenya bakari atia tukaringira kura tukaringa kura na emotions tuthuganie buru no ntuiba kuona crisis ra twene thai no tuge parliament itina independence no kuona iba chiuri imbino to parliament itina independence imbino ntu ekonenkerwa bill igakurukia irete kuuna muntu ete kuuna muringi kura imbino ntu eko weno kumenya thina ira chonde irio no ntu babiusi gukuruka parliament so tukieni igita tuthuganie bwega tuikire atongeria barabara na independent mind na bushuri imbino ntu mtu atwika independent imbibito ma mtu ethere na courage eko make decision the right decision akiri mwathani antu bendete antu antu bena interest ya antu te mtu witete kuiruira ari wewe ngwa so ni kwira kariba Meru bagatuika emotion ituringe kura tukiriritie na mturene chietu tuyukie kanya gakwaria na guchioria tuchiorie ibao batethia Meru then baringe kura na ume batikaringe na kuthura kana na kuwirua menya kuri antu beta jokes yake badikaira mbuande ndeta na musician kwe mtu ombira ita chwa mtu chwa comedian kana musician bugeta na kia nawe akamba kuthekia antu
baka excited
akamba kuthekia antu na kuritana kuthekia antu kana akamba bainira riu karomba kura na eno ndo nakuona maybe that is uniombi antu benda ari dikireni kutheka iko kwega na kuiru iko kwega lakini after that dikira message irambi mtu aretete
imbie neo
Yes.
imbia kamatete
imbia kamatete mutwe yawe like maisha yawe akarakaria atia
Yes.
na atura atia na mathugania yawe na mitirewe
Thank you Mwesh.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Unfortunately time yetu you support the current leadership in Meru County no advocate for good governance mono.
Yes, I support the current leadership. Nontu bakwitha ingwikua MCAs bate uteta ibakua they are having peace na ibakua iwa wetikirwo kuthithia so katubae kanya inyabo bendele na ngui ciao then itara ku judge re kinya 2027 toka omuntu toka kamakiro
Of course.
kokadio
Wachoka kiri Mumiru.
Yes.
Thank you so much Mwesh nontu bakuona
Asante.
kanya na kwarene na batu muthikiria thachi tu igutwika SMS chingire mono na ingwitikia nkethirwo nkimunenkera na uku the mabwethero bukimbira no bukwenda ethirwo akiriunga ombe kwithirwo akija au ni nkirote biriri chia person na ni musiasa na mutongeria ndene ya county ya Meru mutegeri wa Wero TV angushokirutiro rungi kenda mubango ja kugukia wini wa kingeru amba kwithirwo akijukiria uwangi